What up? In this edition of FatBoyFresh, I'm gonna show you how to make a real simple meat sauce. Pause. Come on. Tired of the same old same. My plate is lame. Who's gonna change the game? FatBoyFresh. Yup. FatBoyFresh. Bread 1, bread 2, check. FatBoy. Fit into that FatBoyFresh. Yup, FatBoyFresh. Okay, so these are my usual suspects when it comes to making my sauce, alright? Pause. I got crushed tomatoes. This is a 28-ounce can, whatever you got. I take 1 can of tomato paste. I got some celery seed, garlic powder, onion powder, pink Himalayan sea salt, capers, a little bit of sugar to taste, some butter, garlic. I got some fresh sage, fresh basil, onion, and turkey meat. So let's get to it. Show you how you do this. First things first, right off the bat, move my herbs to the side, put this to the side. Take this onion, chop this up. Now, I want this real fine. I don't want no big chunks of onion in my sauce. You know what I'm saying? Pause. So, let's get to it. That knife work. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna sweat these onions so they're gonna release some of the water content from it. So, they're gonna naturally shrink anyway a little bit. But something like this is fine. Nothing too big though, you know? So let's get to it. Like I said, you can use a food processor, but what's the fun in that? We in the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? I like that knife work. You know what I'm saying? And I don't cry, because ain't no crying in the kitchen, B. I don't know. I'm immune to it. You heard? So let's give it another chop this way. And I think that's about it, bro. You know what I'm saying? So good with that. Okay. So we got the onion all chopped up nice. Let's go for this garlic. You know what I'm saying? Bust that up. This is that good garlic from California, you know what I mean? Not from China, you know? Supporting our grocers here, you know what I mean? We got agriculture right here. It's the culture, baby. Hurry up, so we got that. So I'm gonna leave the onions, I'm gonna leave the spices for now. In fact, let's bust up this sage a little bit. Use the back of your knife. Release some of the oils and inside the spice itself. I mean, cutting it would do it too, but you know, now it's twofold. So now it's ready, you know what I'm saying? And I always heard, you rip basil, you don't cut it. I don't know, you can do what you want to do, but we just gonna rip it, alright? So let's get to these onions. Alright, so put about 2 tablespoons of some olive oil in there. Let's test to see if it's hot enough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's go for it. Put some onions in there. Sweat this out. You know what I'm saying? celery seed. I like celery seed. Add a little onion powder. You know you got onion in there. Add some onion powder. A little bit of garlic powder, even though we got garlic in there. Add a little of that. Now I'm gonna turn the heat back up a little bit so we can get this to browning. You know, take your time. Take your time. Take your time in the kitchen. We ain't in no rush, baby. We want this done right. And if you want it done right, you gotta take some time with it. Let that sit for a minute. Brown it all the way through. Make sure everything is cooked before we add the sauce. It's gonna have a lot of flavor. You got onion, garlic, and we got them nice crushed tomatoes we're gonna add. You know what I'm saying? Some good spices in there. Nobody can't tell me I ain't from Sicily. I'm from the south side of Sicily. You know what I'm saying? South City, boy. We outside. Yeah. Almost browned up. See? I don't know. It's a little habit of mine. Every time I use turkey, I think it needs color. So I always use paprika. So, well, let's do that. I don't know. What was that? A couple of shakes, a couple of sprinkles. It's about a half a teaspoon. You know what I'm saying? It's not like it's not going to get color from the tomato, but I don't know. It's something I do. You do what you want to do. I do what I do. This is FatBoyFresh kitchen, you know what I mean? We looking pretty good in here. Like it's all browned up. So, let's try to get some of these chunks a little bit smaller, because we want this to be distributed out through all the sauce. Alright. So right now, I'm going to dump in tomato, crushed tomato. Let's get out of whirl. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's looking good already. You could have stopped right here. But why would you? You know what I'm saying? Teaching. So now we're going to go with this tomato paste. This is going to make it nice. Tomato paste is kind of sweet. You know what I'm saying? It adds a little sweetness to it. And it's going to, oh shit. It's going to thicken it up. Nice. You know what I'm saying? So we got that in there. So what we're going to do, get out of whirl. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man. Yeah, we doing good right now, boy. So, since I got these other ingredients over here, let's go with some of my capers. That's what I want. That briny flavor. Turn the flame down just a little bit. What I put in so far? 1, 2. I don't know. It's about 6 or 7 of those pieces in there. So now it's starting to get real thick. This is what we're looking for. So now I just put the capers in there. We're gonna get stupid fancy with it. It's not really stupid fancy, but we're just gonna get a little fancy. Put some butter in there. Oh man, why'd you do that? Cause why not? Oh man, we're gonna let that sit go. Right of our time. You should take this out, give yourself a little taste. See if the salt content is where you want it at. Remember, we got those capers in there. So that's gonna be oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect for my taste. So I'm just gonna put the top on that and let that simmer for a little minute. Turn that flame down to simmer. Let all them flavors distribute in there. Alright, so let's check on it. That's perfect. Oh man, I didn't even need to add that sugar. Don't need it. Not at all. That's that. Look how thick that is. Got a chunk of meat in every bit. Pause. All my sauce got meat. Pause. That's it, man. There you go. That's how you make a good meat sauce. You can put this on spaghetti, lasagna, whatever you want to do. You got your Italian fix, baby. This is the main ingredient. Cut some fat by using turkey instead of beef or pork, you know. And you have it. Okay, so there you have it. You got your sauce, meat sauce. Pause. It's real simple and easy. Do what you want to do with it. There you have it. Fat boy ready.
Tired of the same old same. I play this lame. Who's gonna change the game? FatBoyFresh. Yup. FatBoyFresh. Red 1, bread 2, check. FatBoy. Fit into that FatBoyFresh. Yup. FatBoyFresh. FatBoyFlex. Slice, dice, and crush. You make salads and dollars and talents and maids and Italian, Asian, and Cajun. Yup. FatBoyFresh. Yeah, that boy. Fit into that